This video will show you how to set up the Jamahook plugin with your digital audio workstation. Whether you want to use AI to shortlist melodic loops for your tracks, or you're simply looking for inspiration, the Jamahook Sound Assistant makes it easier to compose, produce, and remix. Jamahook listens to your music, analyzes the melodic content, and then suggests loops that are compatible. For this to happen, you need to place a single instance of the Jamahook plugin on your master track. Put the plugin before any mastering effects such as EQ or limiters. Typically, it will be the first plugin on your master bus. In this video, we are working with Logic. The process will be similar in your chosen audio workstation. You do not need to log in to try the matching capabilities of the plugin. However, you need an account to save favorites or to be able to browse your matching history. Jamahook will listen to 4 bars of your project so far. First, press the Match button. If necessary, adjust the start of the playback to the corresponding position in the project. Then start the playback. Once Jamahook begins matching, you can stop the playback as you wish. Jamahook will display a short list of loops that have similar tonal content to the music that it heard. It will stretch loops to the required BPM and transpose them to the required key. You can audition these loops against your track by pressing play in Jamahook and starting the audio workstation transport. Once you've found a loop you want to use, you can buy a royalty-free license for it from within the plugin. Then drag the loop to your project where you can chop up the loop, add effects, or simply use it as is. By default, Jamahook will ensure that the loop is now in the right key and BPM. Thanks for watching. Jamahook. Stop searching, start creating. Download Jamahook for free.